Hello guys, welcome to Maxkinon and with a new tutorial. We are here with a new tutorial for the plugin and theme upgrade. How we can upgrade and downgrade a plugin after purchase from the Maxkinon marketplace. So here we already update the Elementor, and for demonstrate we will update the Elementor Pro. So here is the old version and latest version is needed 3.22.1. Okay, now simply click on add new. Once is loaded, simply click on the upload plugin and choose the file, and here is the file we have already downloaded from the Maxkinon marketplace. And here is the latest version of Elementor Pro. Click on open and simply click on the install button. Okay, plugin is uploaded, and here is the wizard for the upgrade option. So this is the old version and this is the new version. Simply click on replace current with uploaded and click on, and here takes some time, and you can see the plugin is updated successfully. Okay, now click on the install it plugin, and you can see this updated. Okay, that's the tutorial, and if you facing any issue and any bug related, just simply contact us, we will help you, and must be subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you again.